How to convert RAR to zip in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your iPhone. Files is a central place to access and manage all your documents, images, and other files. Now, navigate to the location of the file you want to compress. Find the RAR file you wish to compress and long press on it to open a menu. From the list of options, tap on Compress. A new compressed file with a zip extension will be created in the same location. To check the new file's details, long press on the zip file. From the menu that appears, tap on the Get Info option. This opens a screen with detailed information, including its kind, size, and creation date. Following these steps, you can easily convert RAR to zip on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.